Hey YouTube, Luke from QC3D here. Hey, this is just a quick update. Probably won't even show my face in this video, but I've got 4 printers running today, just in that cabinet. I've got another one running over here. It's a 5 printer kind of day. I have been really busy this month. This month's not even over. We are scrambling to keep up with inventory. I had to get one of my other Ender 3s repaired and going. And yeah, got the King Run going, got things clamped and drying. We got a bunch of labels used. I even had to build a new tape dispenser. I've been packaging so much stuff. Had to put another little shelf in for staging of parts. Here's what's going on. The green is this month's sales. This month's not even over. We have another 8 days in the month here. And we are way beyond previous months. So we are over $2,500 this month. That is what showed up on the book so far. And I'm quickly going to jump over to Etsy. And we have a record month so far in Etsy. We have over $1,000 this month in Etsy in sales. So this is just a quick update that things have been crazy. Stay tuned for the end of this month where I kind of go into detail and recap what has gone on to make these numbers go so well.